Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we will see how to solve the third question in exercise 5.3. We are looking at the seventh subdivision in this question. In an AP, given A is equal to 8, AN is equal to 62 and SN is 210, find N and D. So now let us note the data that is given to us. A is equal to 8, AN is given to be 62 and SN is given as 210. So now let's write the formula for AN. So AN is A plus N minus 1D. So this is given as 62. Now let's write the formula for Sn. So Sn is given as N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1D, which is given as 210. Now let's try to substitute the values of A wherever is there in the formula. So if I try to substitute the value of A in this formula, so 8 plus N minus 1D is equal to 62, or N minus 1 into D is going to be 62 minus 8, which is 54. Now N minus 1 into D is 54. So I'm going to take this particular value and substitute it in this place. So let's see how that can be placed. So N by 2, 2 into A is 8. So 2 into 8 is 16 plus N minus 1D, we've just computed it as 54. I'm placing that value here is equal to 210. So this is nothing but N minus 1D into 16 plus 54 is 70, which is 210. So the value of N is going to be 210 into 2 divided by 70. I'm just bringing it the other side by simply flipping it. So this is 1 times 3 times. So N is equal to 6. So we found out what is the value of N here. So let's note it here. The next thing that they wanted was the value of D. Finding out D, we already computed what is the value of N minus 1D. So we know that N minus 1D is equal to N minus 1 into D is 54. So let's substitute the value of 6 there. So 6 minus 1 is going to be 5. So 5D is equal to 54. So D is equal to 54 by 5. So we found out the D value and the required N value. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 8th subdivision in this question. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.